Hi, this is Dave Koval, Health Commissioner here at Lorain County Public Health. I just wanted to take a minute to encourage you to fill out your census. We here at Lorain County Public Health use census data to really target outreach so we can help the community. It really helps us with chronic disease prevention, preventing infectious diseases, and really looking at things like infant mortality rate so we can target our outreach and keep us all healthy. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Jackie Vainline. I am the President and CEO of the Lorain County Community Action Agency. Most people know us for our heat program, which helps with heating and medically necessary cooling bills. We are also known for our Head Start program that gets Lorain County's youngest residents ready for kindergarten. What you probably don't know is that the census controls the amount of the funding for both of those federally funded programs. When decisions are made about how much money goes to each state and each county, like Lorain County, that is done with census data. And your response to the census creates the data. If you don't respond and if you don't get counted, you never get included in the data. It's like you become invisible. If there are others in your household, they become invisible too, especially children. Our children get undercounted in every census. So I'm asking you to respond to the census. To do that right now, it takes about 10 minutes. The census is mailing forms as always, but they're mostly waiting to see if you respond online or by phone first. There's really no need to wait. If you have access to the internet, you can go to my2020census.gov. That's what I did. You can also respond by phone. For English speakers, the toll-free number is 844-330-2020. For Spanish speakers, the toll-free number is 844-468-2020. Responding is easy. By law, your information goes to the Census Bureau as data. It is confidential and it is safe. You and your children are important to my agency, and we welcome you. We're here to help you. Help us do that by getting counted. Respond and be seen. Respond to be served. Help make sure that Lorain County does not get shorted. Every response matters.
Hi, I'm Julie Chase Moorefield, the President and CEO with the Second Harvest Food Bank of North Central Ohio, and I want to talk about how important the census is. The census shapes decisions around federal funding for programs like SNAP and WIC and school lunches, and these are the programs that help children in our region grow and thrive. So please take the time to take the census at census.gov. It only takes a few minutes, but it means so much to your community that you are counted.
Hi, I'm Richard Romero, Partnership Specialist for the U.S. Census. It's important to understand how much of an impact the census has to our community. The census determines how much of our federal dollars come back to our community for programs like schools, hospital, Medicare, services for senior citizens, veterans, job training for those who are looking for a job.